Mark. Set. Action.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Hi, Mrs. Silver.
Hello, Trish.
Ready to scare all the muggers I see.
I'm ready to hold up the place. You're all my sausages!
Sausages?
What?
You just said sausages.
You're all my hostages! You're all my hostages.
Ma'am, the gun. You don't want to use it.
And if I do, I go to prison?
Please, ma'am.
No prison. No.
Oh. Ma'am, please.
Cut. You trampled the line there.
Ma'am, the gun. You don't want to use it.
And if I do, I go to prison?
Ma'am, please.
No prison. No deal.
Mrs. Silver. Hold it. Hang on there a minute, Mrs. Silver.
Oh, Mr. Calavetti, you stay right there. Stay right there.
Mrs. Silver, I used to use one of those when I did a high school play. It looks real enough to get you arrested.
I know.
Mm-hmm. Maybe even serve time.
I know. So what are you waiting for? Call the police.
Mrs. Silver, could I share a secret with you?
Okay. Could we just do a pickup?
Mrs. Silver, I wonder if I could share a secret with you. I know that when you lost your Harold and I lost my Rachel, it was... But afterwards I started to think that, well, maybe... let's continue this conversation over dinner, shall we?
I can't.
Why not?
Because I'm going to be eating dinner behind bars.
You know, I have a special restaurant. It's Italian. It's up on a hill. Overlooks the entire valley.
Oh, not the Bella Notte by any chance.
Bella Notte, you know it.
Of course I do. From your table, you can watch the sunset.
And watch all the lights come on below, while the stars
come out above.
That's it. What are we waiting for?
We'll be there in time to watch the sunset, won't we, Mr. Cavaletti?
Tony.
But then again.
I know, my dear.